Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're reviewing what we consider the best trunk organizer you can get your hands on, the FORTEM car trunk organizer. Foldable, collapsible, and designed for maximum functionality, this organizer is a total game changer for anyone tired of a messy trunk. Whether you're a weekend camper, daily commuter, or soccer parent, this is a product that brings order to your automotive chaos. Let's talk design. The FORTEM trunk organizer is built with 600D Oxford polyester, giving it a strong and durable structure that's resistant to wear and tear. Inside, it features a sturdy box design, reinforced with rigid base plates on every side. That means it holds its shape even when empty. You're not getting a flimsy bag here. This is a structured, dependable organizer that stands upright no matter what. And at 20.49 inches deep, 14.5 inches wide, and 10.51 inches high, this medium-sized version offers a 50-liter capacity. With 3 spacious compartments and multiple mesh side pockets, ideal for keeping groceries, emergency kits, or cleaning supplies separate and easy to access. This organizer isn't just about storage, it's about secure, stable storage. The non-slip bottom keeps it from sliding around in your trunk, and adjustable securing straps let you fasten it to anchor points for added stability. You can even connect multiple organizers using the built-in interlocking buckles. A major highlight is its collapsible nature. It also includes a removable soft cover lid, which is a great addition if you want to keep your belongings hidden or protected from direct sunlight. What makes the FORTEM organizer stand out is how adaptable it is. It's not just for trunks. You can place it in your backseat, front seat, or even the center of your car. Whether you're organizing tools, sports equipment, office supplies, or even snacks and toys for a road trip, it's built to fit right into your lifestyle. Setting it up takes less than a minute. Open it, unfold the sides, insert the base plates, and you're ready. When it's time to clean, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth is usually enough. The material is resistant to spills and dust, which makes it perfect for long-term use. This organizer truly delivers on durability, convenience, and smart design. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or even a truck, this organizer fits right in and instantly upgrades your trunk game. So if you're looking to declutter your car and keep your gear neatly in place, the FORTEM car trunk organizer is a must-have. It's reliable, it's smart, and it's built to last. Check out the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that subscribe button for more hands-on product reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.